Hi all, welcome to NISM VA Mutual Fund Distributor Exam Mock Test Part 4. The first question is, which of these is a key advantage of exchange traded funds? And the options are, ETFs generally gives higher return than normal funds. ETF offer tax benefit. Investor can control the money they have invested as to where the ETF can invest. And last option is, investors can buy or sell ETFs on stock exchange at prices which are close to current valuation. The correct answer is, investor can buy or sell ETFs on stock exchange at prices which are close to current valuation. The ETFs are passive funds and are traded at a real-time prices that are linked to the changes in the underlying index. Let's move to the next question. State true or false. Long-term capital loss can only be set off against long-term capital gain. The correct option is true. Long-term capital loss can only be set off against long-term capital gain. Short-term capital loss is to be set off against short-term capital gain or long-term capital gain. Let's move to the next question. The actual performance of an index fund can be better or worse than its benchmark due to, and the options are, arbitrage error, tracking error, systematic risk, investment objective. The correct option is tracking error. The fund manager of an index fund invests in the same securities which are in the index and in the same ratios. However, there could be some minor difference and that is due to tracking error. Let's move to the next question. Which of the below investor will require the approval of board before investing in mutual funds? The options are non-resident investor, institutional investors, high net worth investor, retail investors. The correct option is institutional investor. Authorization will be required from the board for the institution to invest. This is typically in the form of board resolution. Let's move to the next question. Which of these expenses can be charged to a fund? And the options are office salaries of fund management team, rent of the AMC registered office, AMC general administration or expenses, custodian and fund administrator's fees. And the correct option is custodian and fund administrator fees. Let's move to the next question. The auditor appointed to audit the scheme account is the same as the auditor of the AMC account. State true or false. The correct option is false. The auditor appointed to audit the scheme document needs to be different from the auditor of the AMC. Scheme auditor is appointed by the trustee and the AMC auditor is appointed by the AMC. Let's move to the next question. Where are the new fund offer dates mentioned? And the options are key information memorandum, scheme information document, statement of additional information, or both statement of additional SID or KIM, or both SID or KIM. The correct option is both scheme information document and key information memorandum. Let's move to the next question. The party in whose favor the units are pledged is called a, and the options are pledger, pledgee, pledge, pleiadian. The correct option is pledgee. The unit holder is the pledger. The party in whose favor the units are pledged is called pledgee. Let's move to the next question. Which of these is an advantage of mutual fund? And the options are portfolio customization, choice overload, control over costs, economies of scale. And the correct option is economies of scale. Large investment corpus of a mutual fund leads to the various other economies of scale. For instance, cost related to investment research and office space gets spread across investors. Let's move to the next question. Calculate the NAV of the following information. The value of stock is 200 crore. Value of money market instrument is 25 crore. Dividend accrued but not received is 10 crore. Amount receivable on sale of shares 5 crore. Amount payable on purchase of shares 10.5 crore. Fees payable 1 crore. Number of outstanding unit is 3 crore. And the options are 75.83, 80.77, 76.16, 79.17. The correct option is 76.16. The formula of NAV is value of stock plus value of money market instrument plus dividend accrued but not received plus amount receivable on sales of shares minus amount payable on purchase of shares minus fees payable divided by number of outstanding units. So the amount is 200 crore plus 25 crore plus 10 crore plus 5 crore minus 10.5 crore minus 1 crore divided by 3 crore is equal to 228.5 crore divided by 3 crore. So the NAV is 76.16. So with this last question, we can end this part 4. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.